Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the basics. Raise your media and notification volumes, and turn off Do Not Disturb. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps, selecting the app that has the faulty tone. Make sure you tap Notifications and check Channels. Some Android versions hide channel toggles. Also verify app-level permissions for sound and notifications. This ensures the OS and app can play audio, which fixes many common issues before deeper troubleshooting. Now inspect the specific notification channel used by that app. You need to open the app's notification channels and tap the active channel to view its settings. If the sound is set to none, choose a tone. If it's custom, make sure the file exists and is supported. Android prefers OGG or MP3. Incompatible files or bad paths will silence notifications. Once you change the sound, send a test notification from the app or use Android's preview to confirm the new tone plays. Finish by clearing the app cache and, if necessary, app data, then restart your phone to apply changes. If the problem persists, reset app preferences to restore disabled channels and default behaviors. This won't delete app data. Make sure system updates are installed. If you still hear nothing, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps interfering with audio. Safe mode disables them, and if notifications work there, uninstall recent apps until the issue stops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.